Meaning of estate tax.
Estate tax.
Estate tax.
Estate tax.
Estate tax. Estate tax, also known as inheritance tax or death tax, is a tax on the transfer of property upon the death of the owner. This tax is calculated based on the overall value of the deceased person's assets and can be quite significant, with rates varying by jurisdiction. The proceeds of estate taxes are typically used to fund government programs and services. The impact of estate taxes can be significant for heirs and beneficiaries, as it reduces the amount of wealth and assets they receive from the deceased individual.